How Tiger Woods spent $1 billion. Welcome, sports enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the financial world of one of golf's greatest legends, Tiger Woods. Ever wondered how Tiger Woods spent a staggering $1 billion? Get ready for an intriguing journey into the lifestyle, investments, and extravagant expenses that have defined the financial footprint of this iconic athlete. From luxurious properties to high-end endorsements, join us as we uncover the fascinating story of how Tiger Woods managed his wealth. Stay tuned to discover the financial prowess behind one of the most successful and recognizable athletes in the world. The rise to riches. Tiger Woods, the prodigious golfer, didn't just enter the golfing scene, he exploded onto it, leaving an indelible mark on the sport. From his early years as a golfing prodigy to his ascendancy as the youngest ever winner of the Masters tournament in 1997, his journey was a testament to unparalleled talent and an unyielding drive for success. This ascent not only garnered him accolades on the course, but laid the foundation for an expansive financial empire. As he conquered fairways and greens, the golfing world bore witness to the birth of a global icon. Endorsements and sponsorships. The Tiger Woods brand transcended the confines of golf, becoming synonymous with excellence, success, and an unwavering competitive spirit. Major corporations recognized the unparalleled marketing potential of Tiger's image, leading to a slew of high-profile endorsement deals and sponsorships. Brands like Nike, Rolex, and American Express eagerly associated themselves with the Tiger Woods mystique, a strategic alignment that not only elevated their products but also contributed substantially to Tiger's burgeoning wealth. These endorsement deals weren't mere business transactions. They were symbiotic relationships that fueled the global Tiger Woods brand. Real estate extravagance. Beyond the realm of golf courses and corporate boardrooms, Tiger Woods' financial portfolio found expression in the tangible luxury of real estate. His acquisitions included not just homes, but lavish estates that mirrored his status as a global sports icon. From the picturesque landscapes of Florida to the serene mountainscapes of Colorado, each property wasn't just a residence, it was a statement of opulence and a testament to a life lived at the zenith of financial success. The allure of these residences wasn't solely about square footage and architectural grandeur. It was about creating havens of indulgence and exclusivity. High-end automobiles. In the world of high-end automobiles, Tiger Woods didn't just own cars. He curated a collection of automotive marvels that reflected his passion for speed and luxury. From sleek Ferraris to powerful Porsches, each vehicle in his impressive fleet wasn't merely a mode of transportation. It was an extension of his personality and an affirmation of his success. The roar of the engines and the polished exteriors of these exotic cars weren't just a means of getting from point A to B. They were statements of status, symbols of achievement, and tangible expressions of a life lived in the fast lane, both on and off the golf course. Yacht life. When the allure of the open seas beckoned, Tiger Woods answered not just by acquiring yachts, but by indulging in a lifestyle that epitomized nautical opulence. His foray into yacht ownership wasn't just about possessing vessels. It was about creating floating paradises where the trappings of the world could be left behind, and the tranquility of the ocean could be enjoyed in unparalleled luxury. These yachts weren't just boats. They were floating sanctuaries equipped with every conceivable amenity and comfort. From expansive deck spaces for sun-soaked relaxation to meticulously designed interiors that reflected a commitment to elegance, each yacht was a testament to a life lived on the highest seas and a commitment to indulgence that transcended terrestrial boundaries. Philanthropy. Amidst the headlines of the trappings of opulence, Tiger Woods' financial journey wasn't devoid of philanthropy. A portion of his wealth found its purpose in giving back to the community and supporting causes close to his heart. From establishing the Tiger Woods Foundation to contributing to various charitable initiatives, his philanthropic endeavors were more than just gestures of goodwill. They were a recognition of the responsibility that comes with immense success. The Tiger Woods Foundation, founded in 1996, aimed not only to empower young minds through education, but also to provide opportunities for underserved communities. Family matters. Beyond the headlines and the high-profile acquisitions, Tiger Woods' financial journey also intersected with the realm of personal connections, notably in the context of family. As a father, his commitment to providing a secure and enriching environment for his children was reflected not only in the residences they called home, but in the experiences crafted for them. From family vacations in luxurious destinations to curated educational opportunities, his financial choices were intertwined with the desire to create a supportive and memorable upbringing. Legal battles. Tiger Woods' financial narrative also bore the weight of personal challenges, most notably in the form of legal battles. The highly publicized scandals and legal disputes that unfolded in the public eye carried not just personal repercussions, but significant financial ramifications. Legal fees, settlements, and the broader financial fallout from these incidents serve as a reminder that even for a figure of Tiger Woods' stature, personal missteps could take a considerable toll on one's financial standing. Investments in business ventures. Tiger Woods' financial acumen extended beyond the realm of golf and endorsements into the arena of investments in business ventures. From golf course design projects to restaurant ventures, he diversified his financial portfolio, leveraging his brand and business savvy to explore opportunities beyond the confines of the fairway. These ventures weren't just financial diversification strategies, they were expressions of entrepreneurial ambition and a desire to leave a lasting imprint on industries beyond golf. Market fluctuations, navigating economic challenges. Tiger Woods, like any astute investor, had to navigate the unpredictable waters of market fluctuations. Economic challenges, recessions, and shifts in global financial landscapes influenced the performance of investments and the overall health of his financial portfolio. From the highs of economic booms to the lows of market downturns, the stability of Tiger Woods' wealth was subject to the unpredictable forces that govern the world of finance. These market dynamics weren't just theoretical concepts. They were real-time factors that influenced the value of investments, the success of business ventures, and the overall health of his financial empire. Personal expenditures. The billion-dollar expenditure encapsulated not just tangible assets and strategic investments, but also personal expenditures that provided a glimpse into the extravagance that defined Tiger Woods' lifestyle. From high-end wardrobes to exclusive memberships in elite clubs, the finer details of personal indulgence contributed to the overall narrative of a life lived at the zenith of financial success. These personal expenditures weren't just about acquiring possessions. They were about curating an existence that reflected the pinnacle of luxury and personal satisfaction. Legacy and future. As we explore the intricacies of how Tiger Woods spent $1 billion, it becomes evident that his financial journey is more than a compilation of numbers. It's a narrative that weaves together triumphs, challenges, personal choices, and the enduring legacy of a global icon. Tiger Woods, with his strategic investments, high-profile endorsements, personal indulgences, and philanthropic endeavors, has crafted a financial legacy that extends beyond the fairways and into the annals of global fame. The billion-dollar expenditure is not just a numerical benchmark. It's a testament to a life lived on a grand scale, where success is measured not only in monetary figures but in the cultural impact, personal fulfillment, and the ability to navigate the complexities of fame and fortune. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.